Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, we're going to get started on the rear bumper on the Skyline. Stay tuned. Today is Monday. Yesterday I went for a little drive up the mountain. I can smell this weird smell. Plastic. Well, scrubbed out my inner guard. Great. Awesome, just what I need. Right, I'm going to get the car over here and start working on the rear bumper. Also took the fuzz out yesterday as well. A little drive around and didn't even notice, but a lot of leakage. It's from the mid pipe. So boys, that's going to have to come back in. I'm going to get that cork gasket that I should have got weeks ago. Let's get stuck into this. Okay guys, going to give it a quick little wash. You might be able to see, but probably not from there. Got spider cracks from about here, all the way around to about here. I'm just going to wash this whole area. I'll get into sanding it. I don't think I've actually shown you a nice close-up. This is really bad. I don't know if it's really bad spray painting. It runs down here. So got little spider cracks here too. Got a scratch along here. And this corner as well. So this whole bumper's going to have to come off, but going to work on this section on the car at the moment. These bumpers, they're painted differently to the body, obviously. I've been going at it pretty hard, as you've seen. I'm actually getting the big gouges out. It's like some of these ones here, they're pretty damn big. I'm getting it back to a decent colour, like getting all this crappy paint that whoever put on off, and even kind of getting the spider cracks out, and I haven't even got through to the plastic yet. So I'm going to keep going like that, see how we go, because that stands out like dog's balls and makes the rest of the car look pretty crap. So if I can get back to looking like that, you know, people won't really notice it. New one. Alright boys, that's all I'm going to do today. I need to pick up some plastic filler, some body filler that's good for plastic, and start to fill in these bits. Obviously I need to send it in a bit more, but I do need to use the car in about an hour. And I got my little man with me. It's holidays, school holidays for him, so not a lot's going to be getting done. But yeah, part one guys. There's a lot more parts to go for this rear bumper, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching. If you haven't yet, please subscribe and hit the like button. Bye.